AI writes faster than ever, almost too fast. And that robotic tone? It's exactly what gets your text flagged by detectors, hurts monetization, and creates problems you don't even expect. But here's the twist. What if you could flip that robotic AI text into 100% human-sounding writing instantly? Today, I'll show you one tool that does exactly that. This is Tenorshare AI, a powerful writing assistant built to transform stiff AI-generated text into smooth, natural, human-like content. Perfect for creators, students, and professionals who want their writing to actually feel authentic. So let's jump into the exact steps we'll use. Step 1. Generate sample text with ChatGPT. Before anything else, we need a sample paragraph. I asked ChatGPT to write a short blog about why education is important. And here's the exact paragraph it generated. Step 2. Test the original text in AI detectors. Let's run this raw paragraph through a few well-known detectors. Copy leaks, Zero GPT, and GPT-0. Watch closely. Every tool fires back with a high AI score, 90%, 100%, everything. You can also check the same paragraph inside the Tenorshare AI detector, which lets you view multiple detector results in one place. Step 3. Tenorshare AI bypass tool. Now let's fix this. Head over to the Tenorshare AI bypass tool using the description link because we're going to humanize this entire paragraph using ultra enhanced mode. This is the Tenorshare AI bypass dashboard. Clean, simple, and powerful. Your original text goes on the left, and the humanized version appears on the right. And this is where the magic happens. 3 modes: fast, balanced, and ultra enhanced. We're choosing ultra enhanced because it delivers the most human-like results. You can also pick tones like standard, professional, academic, business, blog SEO, expand, or shorten. For this demo, I'm going with professional. Fix AI text to humanize the text. Now paste the original text, select Ultra Enhanced Professional Tone, and click Humanize. Give it a few seconds, done. And look at this, cleaner structure, smoother flow, natural contractions, and subtle changes that make it sound like a real human wrote it. Retest humanized text in detectors. Now for the moment of truth. Let's rerun the same detectors. Copy leaks, Zero GPT, and GPT-0. Watch how the scores shift. You can even check it again in the Tenorshare AI detector. And here's the difference. A dramatic drop in AI percentage, going from very high to a much more human-like result. That's exactly what Ultra Enhanced mode is built for. To double check, I also asked ChatGPT to rate the human likeness of the new version on a scale of 1 to 10. And here's the rating it gave. So yes, Tenorshare AI truly turns AI-written text into natural, human-like writing. If you want to try Tenorshare AI Bypass, click the link below to get started. They're offering a 3-day free trial right now. And if you want to upgrade, Tenorshare has a Black Friday sale, up to 70% off on basic, pro, and unlimited plans. If you plan to humanize scripts or lots of content, the unlimited plan is definitely my pick. Also, Tenorshare is running a Black Friday giveaway on Twitter. Follow at Tenorshare AI and retweet pinned post for a chance to win prizes. And for full body character swap, watch the video on the left. For AI blog generation, check out the one on the right. See you in the next one.